So good morning, everyone. So today I convened this meeting so that we can talk about a disciplinary case that we have had, and I would like us to issue the next procedure to take place. So, Madam Sheila, you're going to guide us through what happened, what you saw. We want to know what you're going to do with the students. So you will tell us what you saw from there, and then we can call the students, we listen to their account, and we can understand what really took place.
Okay, thank you, Madam Shirley. So I was the invigilator in next room, and Mr. Allen and Etiang were sitting opposite to each other, and they kept murmuring and living in a clear manner. So I think, from what I saw, I think they were copying from each other.
So what basis can we really use for that case? Is there something substantial that we can use?
Yes, the subject specialists should check their scripts and confirm if their material resemble or have similarity.
Okay, can you guide us on that?
Thank you, Madam HOD, the invigilator, Madam Sheila. When we were doing the marking, we realized there was exam irregularity because we could see it could not be a coincidence that the two students could write the same word by word. It's not a coincidence. So when we could see section B, question A, for Etiang and Allan, we could clearly state that they were really copying because the papers were just the same, word by word. And I would like to invite my fellow colleague who helped me marking to also clarify on what he saw when we were doing the marking.
Yeah. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Madam HOD. After looking at the papers, I was marking section A. And what I noted is that even the misspelling of the technical words of the subject was just similar. You see, it's not possible that two students can be able to misspell even the technical words the same. So, because we have those special words that we use in computer studies, and we could be able to see. So, after talking to Madam, she also affirms that section B has the same problem. So it's therefore very important for us to call in the students and see if we can get to the bottom of this and identify if there was an exam irregularity.
Okay, so can we kindly have the students in, and then I'm going to give you the platform to question them on the questions, and then from here I can clearly see what took place.
Yes, Mr. Masine, kindly help us call Etiang and Anna. Okay. From computer studies. So I think one of you should be out for some minutes, and then we call you. So Etienne, good morning.
Good morning.
I know you're a bright student.
Yes.
So there's something that is very peculiar with the exam in computer studies, and we wanted you to help us understand some of the things that happened in the exam. So, is it possible for a student to have similar answers with another student in an exam? What do you think about it?
It is possible, Malim, because we are taught by the same trainer, the same teacher.
Yes.
And that student is also my roommate.
Yes.
So we read the same notes and we do the same thing. So answers being the same is not something new in this world. You don't need a rocket science actually for that. It is possible. Unless you have any other claims that you want to bring on the table to substantiate your claims.
So who is this roommate that you're talking about?
It is Allan.
So Allan is the roommate?
Yes.
Mr. Etienne,
Yes.
we need you to understand this. You know, when reading, there is a way you can, the mastery of your words could not be the same with the other students.
Yes.
So it could not be a coincidence that during exam, your wordings, word by word, the way you structure your sentences will be the same with the way Alan structured his.
Yes.
So this is what we need you to make us understand. On what basis did you write the paper that each of your words could be the same?
We were using the same notes that we were given by our teacher. So I don't know if Alan used the same words as mine, but it is a possibility that we are reading the same notes and doing the same revision. So mwalimu bana hapo hapana.
Alan,
Hapana bana.
Etienne,
Yes.
let me bring to your attention. Can you look at this back page?
So the mistake here is my words are similar to Alan's.
No. Can you look at this page? Can you see this handwriting?
Yes.
It is similar to this.
No, it is not similar.
So, and when I look at your script, this is your script.
Yes.
Is this handwriting similar to this?
It is not.
Because from what I see, then how comes that your handwriting appears in Alan's paper?
This is not my handwriting.
But this is Alan's paper.
Yes.
And this is your handwriting. It is very similar. Even the color of the pen is just the same.
Well, it is not a crime if our handwriting look the same.
And how did your paper move from one desk to another? Can Madam tell us what happened during the exam?
Do you have an evidence of what you are claiming here?
But Mr. Chang, I thought you most of the time you were talking with Alan and explaining your papers.
No.
Yes.
No. Unless you call Alan here and hear his story, but I don't think you have enough evidence.
Are you sure I didn't go to
You
twice?
didn't. In fact, you are not even in the exam room. You are busy with your phone outside. So how comes you say you caught us?
Okay, so can we have the other student, please? We will come back later.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you.
So we were here with your friend Etienne, and Etienne tells us we live in the same house.
Yes, we happen to be residing in the same room.
And you must be very good friends.
Very good friends.
Very good friends.
Yes. Yes.
I just love this story because Etienne tells me that he has been assisting in everything. Is that okay?
It's called peer teaching module. So yeah, we've been working together. Literally in all units we help one another in
Is
preparation.
this your example?
Yes, madam. This is my example.
Now let's start on the back. Whose handwriting is this? Whose handwriting is this?
Madam, is it a difference of the pens being used or the handwriting?
No,
Yes.
I'm just asking you. Who has written here?
You know, Malimu, there's something that maybe I didn't clarify about myself. I happen to be able to write with both hands.
You
And
have just told
my
me that
hands.
Etienne is your friend.
Yes, Jan is my friend.
Etienne is your friend. Who has written here?
No, this is still my handwriting
This
with
is
the
your
other hand.
handwriting.
Yes, the other
Because
hand.
it's also similar to this, right?
Yes, it's similar to
And
this
it's
one.
similar to this.
Yes.
Now, whose paper is this?
This is a Jan's paper.
Yes. Can you see the color of the pen?
Yes, I see the color of the pen.
Is it similar to this?
Yeah, the color of the pen is similar, but Malima pen costs 10 bob. 10 shillings.
That is the only thing that we wanted to get from you. Because from our marking, there are some things that are not adding up.
Okay.
Now, can you tell Alan what you found?
When we were doing the marking, we realized that your paper in section D and Etienne's paper, you have the same wordings. And we realized that Etienne could be the one who wrote for you this section because the handwriting here and this one, they are not the same. As you said, you could write with both hands, right?
Yes, that is true.
Why would you write with the right hand this part and change a different pen doing this other part? And it happens that there is a similarity with the Etienne's paper. Could you please tell us Because something is not adding up.
In my defense, I would say, like when one hand gets tired, I just switch to
So
the
you
other
are
hand.
telling us that this pen, the one you are writing with here, also got tired and you changed the pen to write this other section.
No, I had two pens, so like this pen remained in this other hand, and so the other one I picked and used this other hand to write the content down here.
Okay, Madam Marceline, allow me to interrupt. And for the purpose of this case, can you kindly hold with the other student so that we can come to a conclusion?
Yes.
Okay, Etiang and Allan, you know that dishonesty is a disciplinary case in this school. And any instance of disciplinary can lead to some serious consequences. So I would give you a last chance to tell the truth, or we continue with this case. You have a chance.
Kusema ukweli, hiyo pepa na ilikuwa ngumu. So ilibidi nitumie techniques ya kusurvive tu. Na hiyo siku naye nilikuwa nimeenda bash mpaka asubuhi. Sasa mimi naomba tu msamaha. Kama kuna makosa nilifanya, nisamehe tu. Hii kitu haitarudia tena.
Allan, what do you have to say for yourself?
Because of the complexity of the paper, we happen to employ some survival mechanisms. Kusaidiana kidogo tu kwa mtihani, but we really sorry and we apologize to the panel. This will never repeat again.
Okay.
Yes.
So since in this school we have rules, we have regulations, and you cannot skip them, and at first instance, you really didn't give us the best honesty to our teachers. I saw you arguing, so I don't think that is really a good picture. So we are going to issue you with the procedures that you're going to take, but I'm sorry you're going to defer for this semester. But since you have been honest in the last chance, we're going to give you another opportunity to return and continue with your studies. You are released.
Thank you, madam, and we are very sorry.
So thank you, my fellow panelists, and I appreciate your presence.
Thank you.